create havoc on your computers and on your devices. We're going to give you access to a VPN proxy. This helps keep your information protected from hackers, especially when you're signing on to a Wi-Fi network outside of your home, one of the public Wi-Fi networks. And we're going to give you access to a password manager, because if you're like me, you have a million passwords and you can never remember which password goes with what website. So you can keep them all secure in one place with this service. Now, if you get the Legal Shield plan and the ID Shield plan, which most people do, they get the combo, we're going to give you credit counseling and education. We're going to give you one-on-one education with our identity theft specialists that can help you with any kind of credit and financial questions that you have, and they can help you with that. And then we're going to give you access to privacy management. Our identity theft specialists, they help you to ensure that your private information stays private. Now look, our ID Shield is $19.95 if you're an individual, okay, if it's just you. If you have a family, a spouse, children, all of that, we will put a wall of complete protection around them and monitor every single one of them as well. That's only $34.95, and it covers the entire family. So again, very, very powerful. So friends, look,